Meet Insta360 Plus, the new cloud service that will revolutionize how you, your friends and loved ones relive your best memories. Sync all your files to the cloud as soon as it's plugged in. Ready anytime, anywhere. Replay your adventures from any device and relive every second like it was the first time, and get sharing faster than ever with a quick link. Your friends and family can share your experience and completely immerse themselves in your adventures. It'll feel like they were right there with you. Edit cloud files from wherever you are with Insta360's editing suite. No need to worry about computer or hard drive space. Everything is done in the cloud. And because it's powered by AWS, you'll know it's completely secure. When you're finished, export your videos from the app or studio as they run in the background, without using your device's computing power. You'll even get exclusive benefits when you subscribe, like priority shipping, free extended warranty, and discounts on accessories for annual subscribers. You can even get a free replacement camera if yours is damaged, and up to $100 off your next one. With smarter 360 cloud storage and editing, there's never been a better time to create with Insta360. Ready to get started? Save, relive, share with Insta360 Plus.